Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bukola Good. If you are new here, you are highly welcome, and if you've been supporting me from day one, you guys know how we do it. You are the real MPV. Thank you guys for stopping by, and thank you guys for coming back to watch my video. So guys, today's video, it's about the wig. This is a knotless braid wig this week, though at first I wasn't really feeling it. Like I said, oh, but right now this wig is like, it's giving me so much life, and I love this wig so much. So if you guys would like to see how I install this wig, guys, you can stay tuned, and let's jump right into the video. But before we jump right into the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So let's move.